Hi there pluggers again, sorry about that. My camera only takes certain lengths of video, so it ran out. Okay, so I'm just carrying on where we left off. So this is the outro of Goodbye to Love. Okay, so I think we got a little bit into it. So we got a B chord to an F sharp, B7, however you wish to play it, like that, or like the normal B7 shape, to an E. Then we've got this C sharp minor 7 flat 5, which is the 5th string on the 4th fret with the first finger, 4th fret 5th string, 2nd finger 4th fret 3rd string, 3rd finger 5th fret of the 4th string, and pinky the 5th fret of the 2nd string. Just playing from 5 down to 2. My thumb is generally resting on that bottom E string just lightly, so if I do hit it, it doesn't sound, and I'm just trying not to hit the top E string. Okay, so it's that's the sound you're looking for. Okay, so far so that's what we got. Then we go to the B chord again. Then we've got another chord that you should be familiar with now, is that shape. We used this shape in the song, didn't we? That one, that was a was that one? That's right, E flat minor 7 flat 5 that we used in the song. And we're going to use that shape again, but on the starting on the 3rd fret of the 4th string, 3rd fret with the 1st finger, and then the 4th fret bar with the 3rd finger across all 3rd string, 2nd string and top E string. Just those 4 strings. Just have to hit those 4 downwards. Okay, you can use that shape or you can use this shape. That's the same chord as that, but it's one of these shapes that same short shape we just used on that C sharp minor 7 flat 5, but this time we're on F minor 7 flat 5. This is starting on the 8th fret, 8th and 9th fret. Same shape as that one, but up here. But I would suggest you try that one. Okay, because it's all down here at the moment, all the action. Okay, so far. Then we do, after that chord, that F minor 7 flat 5, we do an F sharp suspended 4 to F sharp. A quick F sharp, that's that F sharp major shape bar chord, pinky initially on the 4th fret of the 3rd string, and then just the F, so F sharp suspended 4 to F sharp. Da, da. Okay, so that's the first round. Okay, so B, F sharp, B7, E, C sharp minor 7 flat 5, B, F sharp minor 7 flat 5, and then F sharp suspended. You can do it like that if you like, it's a simpler way, or if you don't want to play the bar chord, just play an F sharp chord, F shape on the 2nd fret, with pinky on that 4th fret of the 3rd string, and take it off. Bow, bow. Then we go into the 2nd phrase, which is somewhat easier. F, B again, F sharp, B7 as before, E, C sharp minor 7th as before, B as before, and this time it's just a straightforward E, F sharp, B. Then the whole thing repeats. The 2 phrases just repeat. Okay, so let's go through that again for you. B, F sharp, B7, E, C sharp minor 7 flat 5, B, F sharp, F minor 7 flat 5, F sharp suspended, F sharp, B, F sharp, B7, E, C sharp minor 7 flat 5, B, E, F sharp, B. And there you have it, boys and girls, my take on Goodbye to Love. A bit of a handful. I think that might take you a little while to go through. Keep you busy for a couple of days at least. So see you soon. Bye for now.